So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN in your tax-free savings account or your TFSA here in Canada using the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, what I want you to do is go into your TFSA account, then go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass icon. Then where it says search at the top here, underneath Discover, go ahead and press on search. You can either type in Amazon, so if I were to type in Amazon right here, you can go to the one that says options right here, that's the correct one. Or what you can do is type in ticker symbol AMZN or AMZN if you're from America. Then press on where it says AMZN, Amazon.com with the options thing, press on that right there. Then go to the bottom and press on buy, and press on where it says stocks. Now, what you can do is select the account. So if you want to put it into your TFSA, go to your TFSA account right here, press on TFSA, and then press on next. Now, if you want to do a fractional buy, you can type in the amount of money you wish to fractional buy, or what you can do as well is go at the top here and then press on market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever the case may be. But for demonstration, we're going to go ahead and just do $1 for demonstration. Press continue. Now, if you had funds in your account, you can go ahead and actually submit the purchase this way, but since I don't, I have to unfortunately press on go back. But it's a pretty straightforward progress. That's how you guys can buy Amazon stock in your tax-free savings account here in Canada. Ticker symbol AMZN. Hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.